Welcome to MachiningCloud's Custom Tool Assembly tutorial, where we unlock the full potential of our custom tool assembly and freeform features. Let's get going. Elevate your machining capabilities with the power of customization. Select from an extensive library of cutting tools, holders, and inserts. Mix and match with ease, fine-tuning your assembly for optimal performance. Start your custom tool assembly from any brand. Selecting the correct cutting tool for your application, easily add items from other brands and manufacturers. But that's not all. Our freeform feature empowers you to include other items to your current assembly that will fit in real time. A warning will appear to let you know you are using freeform mode. Use one of MachiningCloud's search options to find the item you are looking for. Unleash your creativity and bring your innovative ideas to life. Customize every aspect to meet your machining requirements and push the boundaries of precision.